Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Nose Tech Academy. Okay, so remember to subscribe and also to share the video. Thank you so much. Okay, let's dig right into science. So today we're going to look at light. Now, light is a wave because it behaves like one. Now here, let's look at reflection of light. Okay, now reflection of light, this is the bouncing back of light. So when light strikes on an object, it bounces back, that is a reflection. Okay, we have the diagram here. This is the surface. This surface is a smooth surface. So when light comes from the source of light, it goes straight all the way. When it strikes here, it bends like that. Now, this line here, it is called a normal line. This line with an arrow, it is called a ray of incident. Now, a ray, it is a path where light travels. That's a ray. A ray is a path where light travels. So, light comes from this side to this side. When light strikes here, it will bend, it will bounce back. Okay, hence this arrow, this line with this arrow, it is called a ray over reflected. Okay, ray over reflected. So, normal line, ray of incident, ray over reflected. Now, I and R, these two are angles. We have I refers to angle over incidence. Then R, it is angle over reflection. Okay, now, this, it is I angle over incidence. The line angle over incident. R, it is angle over reflection. Then the line, it is ray over reflected. Okay, now, so what I said, I is angle over incidence. Then we have R here. R, it is angle over reflection. Okay, now we have examples of these, that side. Okay, so examples of reflection. Okay, so find the value of x in each of the following diagrams. Diagram A here, we're given. We have, let me just put an arrow here to show that this is a ray over incident. Then this is a ray over reflected. Okay, so let's find the value of x here. Now, from here, from the normal line, here, going down, it is perpendicular. It is 90 degrees. Okay, now, the value of the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection is the same. So if here is 45, even there to be 45. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So x is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees. Number 2, let's find the value of x here. Now x, it is this side. We have 50 down here. This is coda. This is perpendicular, which is 90 degrees. For us to find the angle of x, first of all, we have to find the angle of reflection here. Okay, so since this is 90 degrees, we shall do 90 degrees, or just 90 minus 50. Our answer, it will be 40 degrees. Okay, so if angle of reflection is 50 degrees, also angle of incidence is also 50 degrees. So x is equal to 50 degrees. The third one, let's find the value of x here. Okay, so angle of I and R are the same. So x is also 60 degrees. Okay, so don't forget the units. Then the fourth one there, we have the value of x here. So so now here it is 90 degrees from here to there. So from the normal line down all the way up to the surface, it is 90 degrees. So we do 90 minus 70. Our answer, it is 20 degrees. Okay, that's how we find the value of x when we're dealing with examples on reflection. Let's come to refraction. Now, refraction, this is the bending of light. Get me right. Reflection, it is the bouncing back of light, but refraction, it is the bending of light. Okay, so here we have this blocked line here. This is normal line. Then we have this line. This is a ray over incident. Okay, the angle, it is the angle of incidence. Then the line, it is the ray over incident. Okay, then here we have air medium, then glass medium. So what's happening here is that the ray of light is coming from the air medium to glass medium. Okay, now light in air, it is pretty fast, it is very fast. So light traveling in the air medium is very fast, but when it strikes here into the glass medium, it slows down. So what makes this line to bend towards the normal line? It is because the speed of light has decreased. Okay, since light, it is pretty faster in air, when it strikes here on glass, it will be slow. Hence, this line to bend towards the normal line. Okay. Also here we have it. Okay, so here it says the ray of light bends towards the normal line. This is because the speed of light has decreased. Okay, the speed of light as well has decreased. Okay, then here we have glass medium to air medium. Now light in glass medium, it is very slow. Why? Because glass, it is more denser. Okay, now if light is traveling in a denser medium, it is slow, but when it comes out into the less denser medium, it's pretty faster. So here, light in the glass medium is very slow. When it strikes here into the air medium, it will escape. It will go away from the normal line. So what makes this line to bend away from the normal line? It is because light has increased. Okay, so this is all about light. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you.